Good afternoon. Ugh. It's 4 o'clock. I'm tired. First day back. It went okay. Both classes didn't do as much as I'd prepared for them, which is to be expected, right? I always over-prepare. So, no, that's... I'll just continue on tomorrow. I'm pleased with my backpack. It's got, like, it actually has a built-in insulated area, so that's my lunchbox, right? Before I was just carting a lunchbox back and forth. Now I'm just carting a backpack back and forth, which is okay because it's very, very light. And Floyd really likes it. So it's a good backpack. So I have to get my evening class stuff into the backpack after Floyd's done with it, of course. Right, Floyd? You've put your mark on it. Yes. You've rubbed all your juices onto that. Yes. Not done yet, she says. No, not all of them. It's a wonderfully warm day. Started off very cool. 5 degrees. I did not take a jacket. I did not take anything more than this. I went like this. 5 degrees seemed fine. I wasn't doing anything than moving from my car to the school to... By the time I went from the school to the car, it was hot. It was quite hot. And like I said, I'm really, really tired. So I'm hoping that this coffee and supper wake me up, because I am not awake right now. No, no, no. I don't think I have anything really to do right now, which is what I try to achieve when I do all my work on the weekends. I try to make it so I don't have to do anything at night. That's good. But I'm not supposed to feel so tired. You know, it's just stress. Stressing yourself out because it's the first day. Oh, I could go to sleep right now. Probably having a nap now would be good, but I don't do that. I could, because, you know, my husband is here to wake me up and say, hey, isn't it time to go to supper time? Having my coffee. I guess I'm not used to my sleeping schedule. During the summer, I got up at 7. It always came to around 7 o'clock, and after 7, a few minutes before, but it was 7. And today it's 5:15, right? That's quite different. So my body's going, what? Where are those hours that you were sleeping before? Why are you not sleeping those hours now? Or an hour, hour and a half, right? I missed that hour. 2 hours, 2 hours, make a difference. It's a long time. Apparently my son experienced 3 earthquakes. His whole life he didn't experience any earthquakes here. Now he's in Korea and in the space of 2 months, he has felt 3 earthquakes. Scary. I didn't realize that Korea was an earthquake country. South Korea. I don't know that. Nobody ever told me that. Would that have changed anything? No. Obviously, he survived to... obviously, the rest of the world doesn't tell you that either. You know? You never hear about earthquakes in Japan. So we had two more earthquakes today. Unusually active lately. Also had the strongest ever recorded in Korea. Considering I had gone all my life never actually noticing one, I've now felt 3 in just over 2 months. Exciting.
Hi, bye.